Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Smith, and today we're going to talk about how to multiply two digits by one digit using the distributive property. So how we're going to do this is we're going to look at the place value. Okay, so we have 12 times 4. The 1 we know is in the tens place value, so it has a value of 10. So I'm going to put that right here, 10. And we know the 2 is in the ones place, so that has a value of 2. So I'm going to put that here. I'm going to take my 4 and I'm going to put it over here because we're not multiplying. We're multiplying 12 times 4. So 10 plus 2 is 12 times 4. So what we have here is we're going to do 10 times 4 and put it in here, and that is 40. And then we're going to do 2 times 4, put that in here, which we know to be 8. So now what we're going to do is we are going to add 40 plus 8. 40 plus 8 is 48. So we can tell that 12 times 4 is 48. And maybe you already knew that one, but let's do another challenging one. Okay, so here's another one, 63 times 5. Okay, so with 63 times 5, same thing. We know the 6 is in the tens place, so that is worth 60. And the 3 is in the ones place, so we're going to put over here, that is just worth 3. Then we're going to multiply that by 5. So we are distributing the 60 times 5 and the 3 times 5. So 60 times 5, so we know that 6 times 5 is 30. We can add a 0 at the end, so 300. And then we know that 5 times 3 is 15. So we add these two together, 15 plus 30, and we now know that 63 times 5 is 315. Okay, boys and girls, now it's your turn. You're going to have to practice. You're going to be multiplying bigger digits, 2 by 1 digits, and you are going to do it with using this strategy, the distributive. Okay, good luck. Go back to this video if you need help.